it's Gina with WTI, and I'm going to give you a few reasons why this Rollink collapsible luggage was perfect for the last few vacations I've taken. First off, I love that it has a zipper not around the middle like most luggage, but really along the top. I think that's amazing because I always have items fall out when you try to connect them in the middle with other luggage. And because this is just along the top, it keeps everything really nice and secure. I love that this 22-inch carry-on luggage was the perfect size for a flight that I took recently within the United States. It was the approved size for the overhead bin and fit perfectly. Not only is it compact and collapsible, but it's lightweight and durable. It even comes with a strap so you can secure it together when you want to store it. This is really well made. I did send it on for one of the flights that I took to see how it would get through TSA and through baggage handling, and it came out really well. Nothing is broken, no seams have split. This has spinner wheels, and I love that because they're very smooth, and that, of course, that means that you can operate it in any direction. I love that I can drag it behind me, or I can just have it on the side. I love this color. It's Aquifer, which is just a really beautiful light blue color. And I love the design on it too. It's not just your run-of-the-mill smooth luggage. It's got this really beautiful diamond pattern in the front, and I think it really sets it apart from other luggage. Do yourself a favor and get yourself one of these for your next trip. They come in a lot of different colors and sizes, and that's my point of view.